Welcome back to my channel. The 1933 Ford Roadster, part of the legendary 40 series, stands as one of the most iconic and beloved classic cars in American automotive history. With its bold styling, innovative design, and cultural significance, it has earned its place as a timeless symbol of hot rod culture and vintage craftsmanship. Born during the Great Depression, this vehicle captured the spirit of resilience and innovation, offering both style and performance at a time when the world desperately needed inspiration. What makes the 1933 Ford Roadster truly special is its revolutionary design. For the first time, Ford introduced a car with a sharply slanted grille, skirted fenders, and an overall lower and wider stance, breaking away from the boxy designs of previous years. The sleek, aerodynamic body gave it an aggressive yet elegant look that instantly turned heads. Its open-top configuration added a sense of freedom and adventure, appealing to a new generation of drivers. Under the hood, the 40 Series Roadster came with the legendary Ford Flathead V8 engine, a game-changer in the automotive world. This engine delivered a robust performance that was both affordable and thrilling, laying the groundwork for the emerging hot rod scene of the 1940s and 50s. Enthusiasts soon began customizing and racing these cars, and the 1933 model became a favorite due to its lightweight body and potent powertrain combination. Today, the 33 Ford Roadster is not just a car, it's a symbol. Whether meticulously restored to original factory specs or heavily modified into a street rod, each version tells a story. It continues to make appearances at car shows, auctions, and in pop culture, proving its lasting legacy. Collectors and fans appreciate not only its rarity but the nostalgia and authenticity it represents. With only a limited number produced and even fewer surviving in pristine condition, owning a 1933 Ford Roadster is like owning a piece of automotive history. It's more than just metal and chrome, it's a rolling piece of art, a tribute to an era where design met daring, and performance met passion. For anyone who loves classic cars, the 40 Series 1933 Ford Roadster isn't just a dream, it's a legend.